You are probably thinking how to make motivational videos on YouTube and earn money by doing that. You know that there are YouTube channels receiving tens of millions of views, making millions of dollars with motivational videos. Just to give you two quick examples from YouTube, perhaps you know this guy Ben Lionel Scott. You can see that his channel right here, the estimated earnings just from ads is more than $500,000 per year, and usually people earn 10 times more money with their channel than they earn from ads. So we can estimate that Ben Lionel Scott is making a few $1,000,000 per year with his motivational videos. Here is another channel you can see called Motiversity, and you can see it's also earning estimated hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just from YouTube ads. So we can comfortably estimate they are making millions of dollars per year just from one YouTube channel. Even though reaching millions of dollars per year like these guys are making may be challenging, but this illustrates for us the potential of creating motivational videos on YouTube. And that's why I will show you now 5 simple steps to make motivational videos on YouTube and 3 tips from a YouTube professional to get results on YouTube. If you don't know me before, I'm Robert from Finland. I'm the founder of the popular YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day all around the world to make money online. And on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And today, I will help you to make money with motivational videos. The first step is to get an audio for the videos. I will give you immediately a couple of free resources that you can use. Of course, if you want to record your own voice, feel free to do that, but there are also some professional world-class motivational speakers that you can use. So let's come here. This website is called Internet Archive, and here are endless amount of motivational videos. For example, if you search Tony Robbins, who is one of the most famous motivational speakers in the whole universe, you can see that there are dozens of different motivational speeches from Tony Robbins that you can download directly. Quickly to give you another example, another famous person is Brian Tracy, and here are also dozens of different motivational clips directly from Brian Tracy. So you can simply choose the best one for you. Here might be interesting also 100 absolutely unbreakable laws for business success. So this could be, for example, business motivational video for YouTube. Perhaps you want to use some of the stories here. You can see here maximum achievement, Brian Tracy story, and here is even a video that you might even be able to use. And of course, Tony Robbins, one of the most famous motivational speakers in the world. Here you can choose some of his speeches as well. Let's just give you an example. If you find something that suits you, you can click there, and here you will be able to download, for example, MPEG-4 file. You can click one of these, and then you click right here, and you can click here download, and it starts downloading immediately in your computer, and you will see it here on the downloads. However, whenever you are downloading some audios or videos for free, you always need to be careful that you're allowed to use it, because some gurus may not tell you this, but there may be copyright strikes, and that applies especially to free websites and also if you use other people's videos. Let me just give you an example from YouTube. I love this channel called Deep Motivation. He always shows video clips from Brian Tracy, but if you are doing the same, you need to be sure that they are copyright free. So there are 3 different platforms for you to get audio. Internet Archive, other people's videos in the same way like Deep Motivation is doing, and copyright-free platforms that I will show you right now. One platform is, for example, Pexels. Another free platform is Pixabay. You can see they have over 2.7 million images, videos and music. And of course also on Pexels, they have probably millions and millions of different things. So of course one way you can do is that you take the audio from another platform and then you take videos from these free platforms. So let me just give you an example. You can put here motivational, let's say for example motivational, and then you can choose here images, or let's take video clips in this case. And you can see, well, sometimes you can choose coffee, for example, but here can be, for example, running motivation or exercise motivation. You can see here gym motivation. You can use all of these. And in the same way on Pexels, you can type here motivation, and then you simply choose here videos, and now you will see a lot of different kinds of motivational videos. Here can be, for example, football motivation. And here can be, for example, weight loss motivational videos or whatever you want. So you can see that there are thousands of different free images and videos. But again, be careful with copyrights if you are using these free platforms like Pixabay or Pexels, because as you can see here, even though they say that yes, you can upload Pexels images and videos to YouTube, but you may still face copyright strikes if they are not copyright free material. So in that sense, using some paid platforms like Envato, for example, might be better. You can see we have an account here on Envato. You can see my account right here. So just to give you an example right here, motivational. Here is a stock video. We click that one right here and there are more than 35,000 motivational videos. And of course, if you want audio or music, let's take for example right here, motivational music. You can see that there is a lot of inspiring music. There might be even speeches and all these kind of things. So paid platforms like Envato are safer, but if you go with the zero budget, you can still use, for example, Pixabay and Pexels for free, but be careful with the copyright strike in the same way like on Internet Archive. Next step is to get music, and one good platform is YouTube Audio Library, which is also 100% free, and here you don't really have risk of copyright strikes because YouTube is providing it for you for free. So you can find it easily by typing on Google YouTube Audio Library. You click the first one and you are immediately on YouTube Audio Library. And here you can even filter based on your mood. For example, dramatic may be good and inspirational for motivational videos. And you can even choose a genre right here. So if you want to some rock music or dance or electronic or cinematic is also perfect for motivational videos. You can find a lot of awesome music and audio for your videos. Again, there are paid options. For example, Epidemic Sound is one of the most famous one. They have like a subscription model, so you pay a monthly fee and you get access to a lot of sound and music. And of course, there are many different copyright-free platforms. You can even come to YouTube. You can type your copyright-free music. Then you filter here and you choose here channel, and here you will see different channels that share royalty-free, copyright-free music. Just to show you an example right here, and they have a lot of like probably thousands of different clips for copyright-free music. However, sometimes you may need to be careful with this because there may be people that upload material here that is not copyright-free. So that's why it's better for you to double check if you can really use it. Okay, now you have audio, you have music, you have video clips from all of these platforms. What's the next step? The next step is to collect it all in one into an editing software, and I have collected for you a couple of options. One of them is iMovie. You can see it's this one right here. It's 100% free. Other options are, for example, Adobe, Final Cut Pro, InVideo, or OpenShot on Windows. In my previous video, I already showed you how to use this free software, which is called iMovie. Here you can simply drag and drop everything you want. And you can see that I have created this example clip. I can here extend this, I can drag, I can drop, I can do whatever I want, and it's extremely easy to use. Here I can also add text simply by dragging and dropping, and everything that you download from the internet, you can easily drag and drop here into your files. Once you are ready with your video, you can click right here, and here you can directly upload it to YouTube and Facebook. Let me actually just give you an example how to do this. You can also first click here to export file. So let me just do it right now. I have created this motivation less brown. I will choose it right here and then I will click here next. Once you have saved the clip here on iMovie, you simply put it down right here, and then you come back to YouTube and you click here create and you click here upload video. Of course you can directly upload it as well, but if you want to follow this process, you will see this upload video system here on YouTube. Then you will simply drag and drop, you can see right here, and then it starts uploading immediately. You can see here motivation less brown, and then you click here next, you click here next, you click here next, you click here save. First you save it here as unlisted, and then I will show you what to do. You can see here that it's uploading, and at the same time that it's uploading, you can think about thumbnail and titles. And of course, a good idea is also think about the title and thumbnails before creating the video. And if you need help with this, one free tool, again, I help you for free, is this Canva tool. You can see here this Canva tool, and this is 100% free. You will see here YouTube thumbnail, and you can see that it opens for you hundreds of different templates for 100% free. You don't want to use 100% these templates, but you can get ideas. If you click any of these, let me just give you an idea. Let's click this one. It will take it for you here, and then you will be able to edit it in any way you want. You can see you have 100% control over this. If it doesn't satisfy you, you can simply take the next one. Usually the shocking thumbnails work the best. Let's take for example this one. Here I would say it's a little bit better, but don't use 100% this thumbnail. Change something to make sure that it's unique. And of course woman faces also work well, and you can decide yourself. If you want free ideas for your titles, ChatGPT is of course one option. You can see I typed here, can you give 10 titles for my motivational videos on YouTube, and it immediately gave me 10 ideas for motivational videos and titles. But today we have a motivational video about Les Brown. So I wrote here, can you give me a catchy title for my Les Brown motivational video on YouTube? And let's see what it says.
A few moments later.
And you can see instead of giving just one, it gave me 10 different title ideas. Live your best life with Les Brown, unleash your inner champion, the power of possibility, discover your dreams, a journey to greatness. We could use, for example, discover your dreams. This sounds interesting, so let's copy this one. We come back to YouTube and we notice that our video has already been uploaded. So we can put here discover your dreams with Les Brown, and then we can put here motivational video. Discover your dreams with Les Brown, motivational video. That's just one example. Once you are ready with everything, you will be able to publish it. Then there are at least 7 different ways how you will earn money automatically with your videos. The easiest one is probably one-click monetization method, which is YouTube ads. You notice that, for example, Ben Lionel Scott is earning estimated more than $500,000 a year just from ads. And also this channel just from ads making a few $100,000 every single year. A more profitable strategy might be copy pasting links, because even though I don't get a lot of views, you can see that simply by copy pasting links with this program I have made more than $13,000 in the last 30 days. So if you want to make more money, you can copy paste links in the description, as you can see right here. If you don't know how to copy paste, you can simply do like this, click a couple of times, you click here copy, and then if you want to paste them, you can see you can paste links like this into the description. When people click your links, you will earn money for that when they take action. Another way to earn money is of course channel memberships. So you can see, for example, on my main channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, there is this join button, and when people join the membership, I will earn a little bit of money and YouTube takes part of that. And you can see here all these channel members. That's of course one easy way to earn some extra money with your channel. Another one is of course sponsorship. So companies may give you money for mentioning their products in your videos. So there are many different ways how you will earn money automatically once you publish all of these videos. The most profitable way for beginners is usually copy pasting links in the description below your video, also known as affiliate marketing. And now I want to give you 3 tips as a YouTube professional to do this whole process. The first advice is that avoid copyright strikes. Many YouTube fake gurus don't want to tell you this, that if you use these free resources, there is always a small risk of getting a copyright strike. So that's why I would recommend using paid resources, for example on Envato, and even on Pexels you can buy a license, so then you have smaller chances for getting copyright strikes. Second advice is to have a long-term time perspective, because if you get a 9-to-5 job, you get money fast, but if you build a YouTube channel, you can make much more money. For example, tell me any 9-to-5 job where you could make, for example, $400,000 a year like these guys are making just from ads. Or tell me any 9-to-5 job where I could earn, for example, $13,000 a month by copy pasting links. I believe you cannot tell that. So that's why making money with YouTube, you will make much more money than in a 9-to-5 job, but it usually requires some time, so be patient. And then the third advice is to get ideas from others, but don't copy. Take a look at the other famous motivational video channels and subscribe into them. Then you can get ideas what they are doing. Perhaps you can get ideas for your thumbnails. You can see they are using a lot of emotions in the thumbnails. You can get ideas for your titles and even for the speakers. Now, if you want to get more ideas from me and get my step-by-step guidance, I have also created this complete program called Tube Journey to Freedom. And here I go from A to Z, how you will be creating your YouTube channel, how you will be creating successful videos, optimizing them for YouTube, how you can analyze and then monetize. We go through more in detail the one-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, how to earn money even from your first video, best way to earn more than $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much more. I look forward to seeing you inside my program Tube Journey to Freedom, and also in my other free tutorials on my YouTube channel Tube Journey to Freedom. For example, in this video I will show you 7 ways how you will make money on YouTube without ads. So see you immediately in the next video.